Hello, in this video I'll show you how to convert pricing spreadsheets into sales quoting applications on Copper. Here is a fictitious insurance company's life insurance rater. You can see all inputs and outputs. We created a web application using SpreadsheetWeb, and this is the web version of that workbook converted on SpreadsheetWeb platform. You can see that the application includes same inputs and same formula calculations. In order to embed this application into Copper, first go to the Opportunities page and add some custom fields matching with the price sheet. After that, go to the Settings, click on Integrations, and choose Create an Embedded App. Enter the name as SpreadsheetWeb and enter the URL. Then select which fields and locations you want to add your application to. After you save it, go back to Opportunities and choose SpreadsheetWeb, then click on Manage Applications. First, enter your Copper API token, then click on Add New Application. Give your application a name. Then enter the application link and its unique identifier. You can get this information from your SpreadsheetWeb account. If there are matching names, Auto-Populate feature can be used. It will automatically detect fields on Copper and match them to the fields in SpreadsheetWeb application. This step can also be done manually. Now that we're done, we can run the application. As you can see, when we run it, all the inputs are automatically populated and outputs are calculated. Hitting the Save button will save it and calculated total premium will be written back to the opportunity. You can always make changes. Let's change the base policy face amount, and when we run the application again, we will see the updated base policy face amount. Also, the calculations will be updated accordingly. SpreadsheetWeb also offers you to create fully customizable PDF documents. Here, you can see one created, including advanced features such as headers, footers, formattings, page numberings, and more. This proposal can be printed or shared with your customers. When you go back to the application and save the changes, you will see the updated calculations and those will be written back to the opportunities. As a conclusion, with SpreadsheetWeb's Copper integration, you can convert your pricing spreadsheets created in Excel into web applications and embed them into Copper to calculate and generate quoting proposals.